What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham, and we are here to discuss the aftermath of Game 6. Pero sinasabi ko aftermath, pero di ba may nagpe-play pa sa likod ni Graham? Yes, that is the game still actually ongoing. But are we going to believe that that the Celtics are gonna come back down 33 with 6 minutes left to go? Hindi. So we're gonna do a
No.
recording already. And let's give our flowers to New York, no, Graham, na they are on their way to the Eastern Conference Finals, a date with the Indiana
Pacers.
Pacers. But overall in this series, anong nakuha mo sa New York? What makes them a team to root for na a lot of people are actually wanting New York to make it to the finals.
And they're favored right now. They're favored because they have
Depende
the
kung
the
sino
home
kalaban
court.
lang sa kabila. Depende
Oh no
sino
no, but
kalaban.
going to the finals versus the Pacers, the
Oh,
odds
in terms of
makers
ano.
say
Oo.
that they're favored
Mm.
to advance to the NBA finals. But we're thinking ahead right now. It's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
36-point game, by the way. Um it's the what I got from this series is Jalen Brunson is a top is it top three? Is it fair to say he's a top 3 point guard in the NBA?
Top three point guard in the
Because Steph Curry is
NBA.
given, di ba? Luka is
Okay,
given.
Steph. We
Luka.
put Luka as the point. Si Luka
Oh,
lalagay mo. As a,
Luka is a point.
consider mo as a point. Okay.
Other than that,
I
who
have him
who are
top
we?
five. I have top five. Si
Top five
Brunson.
for sure.
I have
Top
him top
five
five.
for sure. But who? If we're talking about top three, then he has an
May case
argument
siya.
and
Mm.
he has a case, and he's carried the Knicks in this series, especially in the fourth quarter. The past two games di kailangan eh. Di ba? For, nung game five, tambak sila. Now
Mm.
sila naman yun na back up by 34 with five and a half to go. But he is he could be the next player after Steph Curry na small guy that will lead his team to the championship. There are only two people who were able to do that in the NBA. It's Isaiah Thomas of the Pistons and then si Steph Curry. So he could be that guy. And you you don't think pag tinignan mo siya na kaya niyang gawin yun, but he just makes things happen. And in this game, he has 23 points. Siya na pala yung leading scorer for the Knicks all of a sudden, which is hindi mo ramdam. But Tom Thibodeau, Tom Thibodeau, we have to give credit to this guy. Dami pa rin siyang doubters, di ba?
Oh yeah, madami
After
talaga.
all these years. Um, but I think it's gonna be interesting against Indiana because you can say that he outcoached Joe Mazzulla in this series. Mas taas yung experience ni Tom Thibodeau. But Rick Carlisle yun nasa kabila, di ba?
Yeah.
So it is going to be interesting versus Indiana. But kudos to the New York Knicks. Do you think kung nandito si Tatum, game 6, it would have mattered? It would have been the
Hindi.
score
For
will not
me,
be ganito ka tambak, di ba? But do you think uh, he would have made a difference na mananalo sila?
he would have made a difference at least in the score, pero I feel like Graham, di pa rin sila mananalo with Jason Tatum kasi nakita nga natin may evidence na
Mhm.
New York can handle Boston even with the Jason Tatum. Remember,
Ah,
bago ma-injure si Tatum and ultimately knock him out for this playoffs and up the next season, they were down 3-1. That was 3-1. That was in
ah,
game 5
game
with 3
4.
minutes game 4, 3 minutes
Mhm.
left to go.
Yes,
With 3 minutes
and
left
then
to go.
they're down 9, no momentum at all. Di ba? So, whatever happened in that game na injured man Tatum or hindi, talo na sila ng game na yun, di ba?
Mm.
And then in game 5, they won. Game 6, yun lang. I was just wondering if he would have made the difference kasi Jalen Brown lang yung active ng first half eh. Especially in the first quarter. Wala siyang katulong. So, I agree with you na I think New York still would have won. Kasi ang hirap talunin ng New York. Parang times 10 sila nung Hinebra crowd eh, no? Talagang ang
At
wild nila. Sobrang wild nung Garden, pati sa labas. Di ba? Na
oh,
yung mga
oh,
hindi na nakapasok.
definitely. Favorite ko yung
So,
TikTok ng New York, bro. Whenever
oh,
they get a win. Yun yung una ko pinupuntahan whenever
um,
New York wins.
the, the best way to describe New York Knicks TikTok is not suitable for children. Di ba?
Oh, not suitable for children.
Talagang rated SPG talaga sila. But they deserve it. These fans, They haven't won championship since 1973. They haven't been to the conference final since 2000. They haven't been to the final since 1999. I have ne I was born in 96 and you were born around the same time too, right? So never pa
94.
natin so never pa
Oo.
natin napanood yung Knicks in the conference finals unless you were watching at 6 years old, which I was not. So this is the first time that I will see New York in the conference finals in my
Same.
life.
Same.
So this is interesting. Pinag-usapan na natin ni Manong last time in Boston, di ba? This
Yes.
will be a difficult transition for them next year when we look ahead, di ba?
Definitely, Grim. We are looking at a combined salary of $500 million, a luxury tax of $300 million, and if that, knowing that situation, we will definitely see majority of the core breaking up. All that we agreed on is that matitira si Tatum at si Jaylen Brown.
Brown.
All others.
Probably si White. Tingin mo si White din? Parang
Siguro,
safe
yeah,
na
yeah,
siya.
pwede. Pero kung
Oo.
trinade si Derek White, hindi rin ako maso-surprise considering nga
Oo.
na new management to gusto nila gumawa ng splash move. Pero
Yes.
are we, some people are saying complete rebuild. No. I mean, when you say
No,
complete
no,
rebuild,
no.
that is like tanggal ka sa playoffs, you are in the bottom of the East.
Di ba?
But, di ba? Pero hindi ganun eh. The rebuild we're talking about is a rehaul. Ayun, it's a roster rehaul. Mag-aano lang tayo ng Celtics
Mhm.
rehaul. Makakita tayo ng ganun in order to bring down that salary. Because, come on, Graham, kahit anong yaman mo, gusto mo ba magbayad in 300 million just because of penalties?
Di ba?
Hindi. Ayaw mong bayad because of penalties. Magbayad ka ng 300 million for the actual product result. Pero kung in terms of penalties, gusto mo ibabayad.
No.
Ba't
No.
ako ba, di ba? Sayang. It's wasted money.
Oh, even Steve Ballmer, the richest owner in the NBA, does not do that.
That's not
So,
a great business decision.
ano pa tong bagong ownership ng Boston, 'di ba? So, it
Mm-mm.
will be difficult for them. Next year, it's gonna be a pass, 'di ba? We hate Boston, F Boston, pero we will not laugh at them next year. I will give them as big of a leeway as possible. Kasi we don't count next year, 'di ba? And that's fine. That happens. Nangyari yan sa Warriors, di ba? Pinag-usapan
Mm.
natin yan. It took them 3 years to rebuild or to reboot, di ba? But they were able to do it. So, um, Tatum will be back. I think, tingin ko hindi na siya maglalaro next year at all unless they make a deep run in the playoffs. But I think he's gonna be gone for the year. Pinapakita na nila yung banners ng New York. Oh, they won in the 1950s.
Yeah.
That's how long since New York was on top of the NBA world.
It's been a
But
while, no? It's been a while.
it's been really a long, long while, bro. When we started watching basketball, the Knicks suck, di ba? Tapos biglang dumating lang si Melo, and then they were relevant for a while, and then wala na naman, di ba? May mga ano pa sila, 'di ba? Yung mga paper bag na suot sa mukha pag nanonood sila sa Madison Square Garden kasi nakakahiya talaga yung team nila. Then they tank for Zion, they lost the Zion Williamson lottery. So, they really deserve. I'm really really happy for this fan base. Parang gives me the 2015 Warriors feel na parang, uy, bagong team on the rise. Sarap i-cheer, 'di ba? Sarap panoorin. So, I really I'm really happy that New York is advancing.
Same. Tapos, Graham, napansin rin naman natin na heading to this matchup na mahihirapan talaga yung Celtics sa New York because the Knicks have the personnel to stop their wing star players, di
Mm.
ba? OG,
Yes.
Miles Bridges, uh, they just,
Mikel
even Josh
Bridges.
Hart. Ay, sorry,
Oh,
Mikal
yeah,
Bridges, Josh
Josh Hart,
Hart.
di ba? So,
So,
ang ironic lang
ready
kasi
sila
nung regular season, the Celtics swept the Knicks. Tapos biglang iba yung nangyari sa playoffs. But again, ito nga yun na they built their team specifically to address Boston. Na ito yung Boston, ito yung standard, ito yung tatapatan natin. Because if we beat Boston, then who are we not beating? And you can make a legitimate argument that whoever beats Boston has a legitimate argument to win the championship. And the Knicks right now have that. So it's a successful plan by New York. So tinalo mo na yung Boston, now you look ahead to Indiana.
we're gonna have, so guys, yung mga nakikinig, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Before that, no, Graham, how do you foresee, like, quick predictions heading to that matchup, no? Kasi yun na yung makikita nga natin after this one. How
Mhm.
many minutes are remaining? 40 seconds remaining.
40 seconds remaining.
Oh,
It's
yun.
a 38-point game,
How do we see
probably.
that matchup happening? Is it Knicks in six, Pacers in
Seven
six?
games.
Okay,
I
we're
got the
seeing a
Knicks in
slugfest,
seven.
seven games.
Oo. They met last year sa semis,
They
sa
did.
second round.
Babawi. Gusto nila
It went
bumawi,
to
bro.
seven. It went to seven, and in that series, sa game seven, nawala na si Bronson, nawala na si Anunoby.
Yun yung slowly na the
Naubos na
pressure
sila.
was on Thibodeau kasi parang mga players mo are
Mhm.
dropping like flies and he was criticized for the heavy minutes na it's coming back to haunt them. That was the story last year, 'di ba?
Yes. Oo, kasi he's known to not rest his players, di ba? It doesn't
Mm.
matter. Kaya nga na-injure si Derrick Rose, di ba? Dahil they were up big, and then
Oo.
he let him stay on the floor. But
Yeah.
that's his style. And itong style na to, they're now in the Eastern Conference Finals. So I think it's a 7-game series. Uh, do you think itong version ng Knicks is better than the version that they had last year? Healthy Knicks this year, healthy Knicks
Oh
last
yeah,
year.
definitely Grim and a healthy Bronze. Well, kaka-minor
Nawala
ankle
si
injuries here
Randle,
and
di ba?
there.
Nawala si
And just the
Randle, nawala si
addition of Carl
DiVincenzo.
Anthony Towns as well is
Yes.
parang win-win situation ngayon, di ba? But
Mm,
of course, having a 7'1" guy in Cat helps. And sobrang nabubuhayan siya sa New York. And everything's just clicking right now for the Knicks. Na mas ramdam mo ngayon compared to last year. And that's the reason why na I won't be shocked if they make it to the NBA Finals, which is great for the league kung ganun nga mangyari.
Oh, and again, if Oklahoma City loses tomorrow, or the next day, the Knicks will have the home court advantage for the rest of the playoffs. Kahit sino pa yung makalaban nila. That's how that's how clear the path is for New York. Swerte nila, di ba? Natalo na yung Cleveland in the East, tinalo na yung
Mm-mm.
Boston, and then pag natalo pa yung Oklahoma City in Game 7 against Denver, which I doubt will happen kasi Aaron Gordon will not play. But if that happens, the Garden will host Game 1 of the finals. So I'm really happy for New York. And you don't have a heart if you're not, unless you're really a Celtics fan. Because they deserve this. Sabi mo nga, Nico, no? They're parang silang uste
Yeah, they're
ng
the UST. Syempre, Pilipino na may mga nakikinig dito. And may
mm,
mga nakikinig, di ba? Alam niyo naman na New York is like the UST of the UAAP na
uh,
grabe yung go uste chance. Pero syempre, go New York, go New York, go yung naririnig natin.
yes, pero parang yung suporta ng crowd, 'di ba? When they're good, it's a different atmosphere sa UAAP pag if stay is relevant, same as the Knicks. So yeah, I'm very early prediction. I haven't looked into it that much, but I have the Knicks winning in 7 games. I feel very very confident on that. Sinag-usapan natin to last time na whenever there's a game 7, I normally will pick the home team kasi iba yung advantage, di ba? But for now, let's let them savor this moment, and they deserve it. The Celtics are out, and they're in.
Yeah, definitely. And guys, as always, comment, subscribe. Pag sa YouTube, may giveaway tayo for 50K subscribers when we reach that point. And then for Spotify, follow 5-star rating. Nico here with Graham. We'll have more, especially natutok na tayo sa tutok na tayo sa ano tawag dito? The series finals. We're in the final with the
Uh,
series finals na for both the West and the East. So
Malay
we're
nyo,
gonna try
mag-record
to.
kami ni Nico on Monday na madaling araw. 3:30 kasi yung game nung ng
Ha?
Oklahoma City. It's 3:30 in
Seryoso?
the morning. I think inalign nila yan sa Europe because of Jokic. So it
Ah,
will be evening
siguro
in
pagising na lang
the
natin, Greg.
US.
Pagising na lang natin.
Oh,
Pagising na.
kasi parang pagising na lang natin, or if we're watching, 'di ba, why not? But yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's gonna be a 3:30 a.m. game on Monday morning, very very early. So yeah, congrats New York. We'll see you next time.
Yeah. Go New York, go New York, go.
Go New York,
Peace.
go. Adios amigos.